Today we're diving into BloFin, a crypto futures exchange that's been making some waves in the trading community. But is it really as reliable as it claims? Let's take a closer look at what it offers and whether it's worth your time. BloFin positions itself as a user-friendly platform for crypto futures trading. It aims to cater to both beginners and experienced traders, which is a bold move. The interface is sleek and intuitive, making it relatively easy to navigate, even for those who might be new to futures trading. One feature that stands out is their focus on risk management tools, which can be a huge plus for traders looking to mitigate losses. However, while the platform boasts various trading pairs and competitive fees, there's a noticeable lack of detailed information about its security measures and regulatory compliance. For users who prioritize safety, this is a potential red flag. Additionally, the educational resources seem somewhat limited, which might leave beginners feeling a bit lost. Overall, while the platform has some appealing aspects, certain areas feel underdeveloped and could use more clarity. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, BloFin offers a clean interface and a solid selection of trading pairs, making it accessible for various users. The risk management features are also a strong point, especially for those worried about volatility in crypto markets. On the flip side, the lack of transparency regarding security protocols raises concerns. Users might also find the educational materials lacking, which could hinder new traders. Plus, without clear regulatory backing, some might hesitate to fully trust the platform. Overall, while BloFin might suit experienced traders looking for a straightforward interface, those new to crypto trading or who prioritize security might want to explore other options. In conclusion, BloFin has potential, especially for seasoned traders seeking a user-friendly experience. However, its lack of transparency and limited educational resources could deter new users. If you're comfortable navigating the risks of crypto trading, it might be worth a look, but always consider alternatives that offer more clarity and security.